Hello and welcome to Edge AI Translator demo. Today we'll explore the powerful features of this tool, which serves as a core component for transforming diverse input data into a standardized output, both in format and values. The main benefit of the translator is its ability to ensure frictionless interoperability of jobs and skills data. It receives skills-related data, typically in JSON format, via an API and intelligently translates it into a standard output. For the output format, which we call ontology, the Edge AI Translator uses our pivotal ontology. This acts as a universal standard data model, ensuring consistency across different systems. And for the output value, or terminology as we call it, the translator generates precise matching suggestions with recognized jobs and skills frameworks, such as ESCO for Europe or Rome for France, all available in your desired European language. You have two flexible options to use the translator. You can access our cloud version, which simply requires an account provided by MindMatcher, or you can opt for an on-premises deployment, following the setup instructions available in our GitHub documentations. So the first step, once you're already inside your account, is to browse your data. That's exactly what I will be doing. It is important to mention here that from your left side, you will see the format of your data, what your data contains here. And for example, in my case, I have uploaded a test data that has user information, where each user has a past professional experience, and each experience is associated with specific skills. And now we need to map this to the standard, which we call pivotal ontology. First thing to do is to map your objects. So as I said, we have a user profile. Let's say user information. We have experience, and as we said, it's past professional experience. And this is professional experience and past, as we said. And skills. Let's say those are related skills to the past professional experience. And we create the third one. Next step, we need to map our fields. That's the other tab. So here you see all the fields you have in your data. We need to map it to the standardized ontology. First is the name. It's user information name, user information email, same user information address. Then we have the experience, which is the past professional experience, and this is the name, pref label. Past professional experience company, same for description. Past professional experience start date. Here we put date from. Past professional experience date to. And we should not forget to select also for both of them the format of the data. and the competencies, which are related skills, ref label as name, related skills, description, skills level value, and there's a type family. So every time you create your rules, the previous one that you have created will be overwritten. So now we get asked if we want to overwrite the existing rules. We say yes, and everything that we've created just now will be applied to our data. So from your right side, you see the rules that you've created, but every time you want to revisit your rules, you don't have to come all the way here. All you need to do is to verify your rules from the relevant tab. Now that the rules are created, let's go ahead and start the translator. For that, we need to define the target framework. And let's say here we choose ESCO. We need to select the source language. In my case, it's French. And we need to select the target language, let's say English. And we initiate the translation. Every time you process a new data set, this will take a while, but every next time when you have matching properties, it will take faster because the translation will be conducted only on those that are not matched. And here we have the results. After Translator processes your data, our AI algorithm provides you with the 5 closest matching suggestions according to the target framework, and here we have selected ESCO. In the output data that the translator produces, you'll find 2 key properties, match and suggestions. So you have match and you have suggestions. You will have 1 match because according to the AI that is the best match, and you will have 4 suggestions. Together with the suggestions, you will always see a validated property with 0. So every time you validate one of the suggestions and not keep the match, but validate one of the suggestions because that might go well with your business or with your data, the property value 0 will change into 1 as if this one has been validated. And every time you upload more data that has the matching property, the validated one will be selected and will be shown by the system. And let's go and see how do we validate. So we go to the Suggestions Validation tab, and we see there are 4 pending validations and about 5 validated, which we have done before, and it's saved. And let's say we choose to validate 1 or 2 or all of them. So the first one, as I said, was suggested by an AI, and according to the AI, this is the best match. But if you think that one of the others might be a better match, you validate the other one. So let's do randomly for all the remaining ones. Now you have all your pendings as 0 because you've validated everything, and everything that is validated is under the validated tab. You can always revisit, update, remove, edit. So once you remove, it's ending up, it's going back to the pending section. You can validate, you can keep it that way, the way you want it. Everything that you have validated here and every data that you have treated in the translator will automatically, via an API that will be configured, go back to your systems. So everything you do here will reflect in the system that you're actually using your data in. That is it for the Edge AI Translator demo. Thank you for watching, and in case you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.